Yo, so XRP sitting around 186 as we close out 2025. It's not the ending most people wanted, but it might be the one that actually matters. So let's recap this week and the entire year and talk about, what it really means going into 2026. So let's check it out. Let's dive straight into it, and then we'll kind of break down 2025 recaps, highs and lows. With the 2025, we had a ton of, actually, let's just go straight into 2025, and then we'll get into, the normal weekly charting. But this, start of this year, there was a lot of optimism. There's a lot of great pushes into $3 plus, during the peak of this year. And then towards the end of this year, late 2025, ETF starts to fade into retracements, and then we've got year-end lows around like 186, as low as even 175. Fatiguing the whole entire market. But that's all short term, right? So let's break down the weekly charts, and then we'll kind of get straight into where my targets are going to be at for this week, to wrap up the year. All right, let's get straight into our usual crypto bubbles. I have CoinMarketCap just because I was checking it out. Crypto bubbles. So for the year, I would say we're red. And then we've got for the month, red. And then for the day, we are red today. So total, everything's sitting in the red. Bitcoin is down almost 8% for the year. And then we've got Ethereum 13%, almost 14%. And same thing with XRP's 15%. So we're down for the year. Market cap is down as well too, almost 8% for Bitcoin for that case. And then let's jump into CoinMarketCap and then check everything out. So for the week, we are down almost 3% for Bitcoin, and then XRP 4%. It's in that 185, 186 range. And then break it down a little bit more. For the month, we've got 222 as the high, and then 177 as the low. Solid point to start dollar cost averaging in, even right now too. It's at a really good discount, so no worries there. Let's check out Webull. I was doing some of my spies that we broke below. Okay, let's take a look at XRP. All right, we are within range. I would say to, at a good deal right here. RSI, and then we'll be looking if it breaks above. So everything's still trending down. Lower highs, lower. No, it's about, let's see. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. That's how we are looking as of right now. And then let me do my daily right here, because I look at the more daily. Okay, and then let's see if we can break above this. I want to say like 192. We break above, then we'll start looking at 211. But my, just because we're gonna be ending the year and the start of new one, I don't see a lot of progress. Probably gonna be sitting sideways for what I'm seeing, and it's been a downtrend, so I haven't seen anything major. But we do have a good support here at the 180, 177, 180 range, and after that we've got our resistance here. So we'll see if we're gonna go in between. I think we're just going to be choppy, kind of sitting flat, just because you can see that right here. All right, so let's go into Perplexity. Okay. All right. So let's get straight into it. The open's at 186, and then we've got the high 192. And then XRP is trading around 186, 189, and is grinding sideways near the lows of the month. So I think it's going to be sitting like this. Let's see. Okay, it's about 14 to 15% lower than a year ago. Okay, and then we're sitting. Okay, and then we've got market news and drivers. Commentary notes that months of downside have reshaped XRP's market structure, with price now trading below both its 50-day and 200-day moving averages. A classic sign of a still bearish bias, even if immediate selling pressure has eased. Okay, and then prediction and derivatives markets show most traders betting the XRP stays in roughly a 180 to 190 band into year end. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Relatively low implied odds of a sudden breakout move this week. Yeah, that is confirmed. Okay. So we're closing out the year, and I think there's been a ton of progress as far as, like what has been done for XRP. So do keep that in mind. There's a ton of action going around with that space. And then, sorry, my dog's whining because he wants to go for a walk. But sorry, buddy, you'll go in a bit. But yeah, that is it for the week. You guys have a great one. I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the New Year's. Happy New Year's. Resolutions are coming back. Take care of your health. Take care of your finances. Catch you guys.